Why bringing you people some news for tonight? Boring or not, listening is important. Let's begin. Egypt former leader Hosni Mubarak and his two sons were sentenced to 3 years in prison. The reason was because Mubarak and his two sons took millions of dollars worth of state funds over the course of a decade. Wow. Wow. The funds were meant to pay maintaining presidential places, but were instead, it was spent on upgrading the family's private residence. In other words, it was spent on upgrading his private lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, for those who do not know Hosni Mubarak, he ruled Egypt for almost 30 years until he swept from power in a wave of mass protests in February 2011. Although Although in his early days he was never a smoker or a drinker, he built himself a reputation as a fit man who led a healthy lifestyle. And that's how it is. And that's how it's supposed to be anyway when you're ruling a country. Imagine, image is very important. It shows, a lot about you as a person. When you're working out, of course. Yeah. And yes, he was an evil man, but I'm just saying, innit, if you can't rule a country without fear. Fear and power. Fear and power is the two most important things in ruling a country. But anyway, that's all the news for today. Well, I'll be back with more news. The movement will never stop. Adios. Why?